Imagine this. You wake up every morning feeling like you're reliving the same day over and over again. The same thoughts, the same doubts, the same invisible chains holding you back from the life you dream of. You've tried everything: affirmations, visualization, even forcing yourself to stay positive. But deep down, something still feels off, almost like there's an unseen force keeping you stuck. What if I told you that the key to finally breaking free isn't in doing more, but in changing the tiny, unnoticed moments of your day? What if you could reprogram your subconscious mind effortlessly, not through hours of repetition, but through the split-second moments you never pay attention to? Like when you sip your coffee, check your phone, or step into the shower. Today, I'm going to show you a groundbreaking technique that fuses Hooponopono and NLP in a way that will rewire your reality faster than you ever thought possible. And by the end of this video, you won't just understand it, you'll be living it. But first, let me ask you, have you ever felt like something deep inside is working against you, no matter what you do? If so, stay with me, because today we're shattering that pattern for good. Most people believe that reprogramming the subconscious mind requires hours of meditation, deep hypnosis, or complex affirmations. But here's the truth. Your subconscious is constantly being programmed in the smallest moments of your day. Right now, as you're watching this video, your mind is absorbing and reinforcing patterns, whether they serve you or not. The key is to intentionally use those small moments to shift into a new reality. And that's exactly what we're going to do using Hooponopono and NLP. The subconscious mind controls 95% of your daily actions, beliefs, and emotions. If your subconscious is programmed with thoughts like, money is hard to earn, love always leads to pain, or I'm not good enough, then no matter how many affirmations you say, your reality will reflect those deep-rooted beliefs. This is why people struggle with manifestation. They consciously want a better life, but their subconscious patterns pull them back. NLP calls this a neurological loop, where your brain fires the same pathways over and over again, reinforcing your current reality. Now here's where Hooponopono comes in. Hooponopono is an ancient Hawaiian practice of forgiveness and healing, but what most people don't realize is that it's one of the most powerful subconscious reprogramming tools on the planet. Why? Because it works at the deepest level, clearing limiting beliefs you don't even know exist. When you say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, you're not just speaking words, you are directly communicating with your subconscious and releasing old programming that no longer serves you. Here's where the magic happens. Instead of setting aside 30 minutes to practice Hooponopono, we integrate it into your daily habits. Every time you take a sip of water, whisper the Hooponopono prayer. When you open your laptop, say, I'm sorry for any limiting beliefs about success. Please forgive me for holding on to fear. Thank you for my growth. I love you. When you look in the mirror, say it to yourself. Over time, these micro moments will completely rewire your subconscious without effort. From an NLP perspective, this works because of anchoring and pattern interruption. When you attach a new affirmation to an existing habit, your brain starts associating that task with new, empowering beliefs. If drinking coffee was once a mindless habit, now it becomes a powerful moment of transformation. The more you repeat this process, the stronger the new neural pathways become, replacing old, limiting ones. Let me share a story. A woman named Priya had struggled with financial blocks her entire life. No matter how hard she worked, she couldn't seem to get ahead. She started using Hooponopono every time she checked her bank account, whispering, "I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you." Within months, unexpected financial opportunities started flowing in. Why? Because she removed subconscious guilt and fear around money. And this isn't just about money, it works for healing relationships too. If you've ever struggled with a toxic relationship or past wounds, this method can clear those emotional blocks effortlessly. If you want to dive deeper into using Hooponopono for relationships, I've made a full video on it. You can check it out here. So, here's your step-by-step guide to integrating this into your life starting today. Pick 5 daily tasks. It could be drinking water, brushing your teeth, unlocking your phone, opening a door, or sitting at your desk. Every time you do that task, repeat the Hooponopono prayer. Feel the emotion behind the words. Truly embrace the energy of forgiveness and gratitude. Track your progress by noting any shifts in how you feel or changes in your life. Keep going for 30 days and watch your subconscious mind completely transform. Now, imagine this. You wake up 30 days from now and everything has changed. You feel lighter, more abundant, and more at peace. The struggles that once held you back are gone, and all you had to do was shift your energy in the smallest moments of your day. This is the power of Hooponopono, the power of NLP, and most importantly, the power within you. But none of this works unless you take action. So let me ask you, are you ready to reprogram your mind and change your life? If so, comment, "I am ready" below, and let's do this together. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like so more people can see it. Subscribe if you're ready to master manifestation and subconscious reprogramming. And most importantly, share this video with someone who needs this transformation. Let's create a world where everyone unlocks their highest potential. See you in the next video.